Hi guys, my name is Ogo and welcome back to my diary. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Apple Watch with you guys. I bought Iwatch Series 8, yeah, the 41mm, because I tried fitting it on my wrists and I discovered that the 45mm is quite big on my wrists, like, yeah, so I decided to get a 41mm. This watch is given, like, it's very beautiful and I am very happy that I got it. So I don't know if you have a close look. I don't know if you can see it well, yeah, but yep. So let's unravel this, okay? So this is so beautiful, like this is the band. I wanted the red color, guys. I wanted the red color, but they told me I should order it online, but like, I already came to your store. I'm never gonna leave like that, no. So since I'm already there, why should I go back again and go and order it online? I was like, bruh, give me any color available, like, I don't mind. So far is Series 8, just give me any color. Sorry guys, this is crazy, this is crazy. Oh, I found it. This is so beautiful. I am so excited. I almost considered SE, but just for the fact that it doesn't have the ECG app, I was like, nah, it can't read ECG. So if you cannot read ECG, why should I get you? I'm definitely going to get different colors of this because I feel like this color is actually very boring. So yep, finally we're getting to this. Okay, this is good, this is good, this is good, right? Good. Okay, finally. This is amazing. So okay, first one thing. You can imagine buying the 45mm. Yo, see my wrists, and this is 41mm, and see how big it is on my wrists. So you can imagine if I had gotten a 45mm, it would have been like carrying a phone on my wrist. Y'all, I was never ready for that. So oh shit, I'm not just patient with this. Ooh la la, yes, 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 yeah. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Perfect. So, and every other thing is just oh, it came with, I don't know, let me check, let me see. Okay, oh sure, it came with this. It's supposed to be a wireless charger. It came with it, yeah, but there's no adapter. Okay, it did not come with any adapter, so you are definitely going to get your own adapter, and all these are paperworks. So that's just it. So these are the main deal. Oh, these are the main deal. Okay, okay. So I am so happy I got these, and I was like, y'all, let me just come on here and, you know, do this unboxing video with you guys. Like, yeah, why not? Why in the nuts? Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. So it has a bigger band. It has a bigger band in case if you like have a bigger wrist size, but I have a smaller wrist size, so I'm just gonna go with the smaller band. Yep. So yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. So it says low battery. I'll have to be charging it up, so I think I'll have to wrap it up here. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you all the functionalities, the capabilities of this watch, and why I chose the Iwatch Series 8. All right, so thank you so much for watching till the end, even though I know that, yeah, it's a short video and I wanted that way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the post notification bell, so that anytime I drop any video, like, you'll be among the first set to like get it fast. All right, so thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.